Right, so moving on, question number 12. So this is a very important question because there were many discussions that went with this particular question. Okay, they have normally we what we do is we will have this chemical formula which is given, and we have to write down the IUPAC nomenclature, which is very straightforward. You get the charge and you see whether it is a cation or an anion, and then you name if there is some counter ion, and then you name the ligands according to the alphabetical order, right? Now tell me, now here they have given the name, and you have to draw the chemical formula. Now, how do you arrange the order of the ligands? Can you tell? Can you tell how to arrange the order of these ligands? Because finding the charge and putting number of chlorine, those are very straightforward things. But you have to know how to arrange the ligands in order when you are writing a chemical formula. What is the rule for arranging the ligands within this bracket, within this primary coordination sphere? Tell me whether you know or not. That is enough for me. You have to answer because I have to go little further very fast because time is running out. Okay, so I have one answer saying no. So no. So what about others? So there are 3 no's. Okay. So the idea is this. Take this. According to IUPAC, you have to understand when you are writing the name of a given chemical formula, you go with the normal way. You use the IUPAC nomenclature according to the alphabetical order. Okay, so when you have the ligands, so here you can see it is amine, bromido, carbonyl, hydrido. So all these comes according to the alphabetical order when you write down the name. Okay, but when you write down the formula, in fact the chemical formula, it is still the same way. You have to go with the alphabetical name, in fact alphabetical order of the atom which is coordinated to the metal ion, not the alphabetical name of the ligand name, not the alphabetical order of the ligand name. It should be the alphabetical order of the ligand valence atom. You understand? Did you understand what I am saying? Now here, if you think about the ligands that we have bromine, right? We have carbonyl, we have hydride, and we have amine. Okay, what I am telling here, bromine gives the electron to the central metal ion, carbon gives the electron, hydrogen gives the electron, nitrogen gives the electron, right? So these are the valence atom, not the ligand name. I am talking about the atom. So when you have these ligands, you have to arrange these ligands according to the alphabetical order of the valence atom. For an example here, when you think about the alphabetics, first we have B. So this ligand should come first. A, B, C, D. So then C. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So this should come third. J, K, L, M, N. This should come four. Okay. But if you think about the ligand name, then you will see this one should come first according to this one. Amine. A comes first. I'm not talking about when you talk writing the chemical formula, you are not going with the alphabetical order of the ligand name. You are going to go with the alphabetical order of the ligand valence atom. Did you understand that point? Because this is important. I'm going to tell this again, okay? So you have these ligand names. So when you write down the chemical formula, what you have to look at in arranging the ligand is the atom that is coordinated to the metal ion. So here the metal ion is cobalt, right? So in this cobalt, you have to check the atom and its alphabetical letter. For an example, bromine, so it is only bromine we have. So we give the first atom is bromine, that is B. Here it is carbon, here it is hydrogen, it is nitrogen. So CHN. So when you have these letters, it is in alphabetical order. Okay. So according to that, we check which one is arranged according to the alphabetical order of the atoms, not the ligand name. That is important. Because if I think about the ligand name of this one, this is amine, this is hydrido, this is carbonyl, this is bromido. So according to that, amine should come first in my chemical formula if I check about the ligand name of the alphabetical order. But for chemical formula, we don't use the ligand name of the alphabetical order. We use the alphabetical order of the ligand atom. The first letter of the atom. In fact, the ligand. So this is B here, C here, H here, nitrogen, this N here. Okay. So this is the order that we are going to get. So according to that, when you consider, when you check about the answers, so here hydrogen is there, then bromine. So it cannot be. Right. So automatically you will see the answer is fourth one, in fact. Did you understand the explanation? Please quickly respond in the chat because I have to move forward. Okay, so that is fine. If you understand, that is fine. Okay, great. So always keep this in mind when you write down the chemical formula. It is the alphabetical order of the valence atom, not the ligand name. But when you write down the name, it is the other way around. You have to get the alphabetical order of the ligand name, not that.